Stay informed in crypto. Let's explore Bitcoin and Ethereum market trends together.
And the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, on a mission to give you guys the topics just like that, guys. We're doing just like that. But I gotta let you guys know too that I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. So, you know, you got to go out and do your research at the end of the day, guys. You got to do that. As you guys can see, Bitcoin today, though, coming in at a 93.9. Are we going to start seeing Bitcoin start ticking up again? Also, our fear greed index coming in at 53. Are we turning around? Ethereum also starting to look good, but let's look at some Bitcoins. You guys could see Bitcoin creating a nice cup and handle here and looking like it might want to go on another run. What the heck, man? Are we going to finally break above this 94K range? If this happens, guys, we could shoot right past 96 pretty fast. My opinion, we could hit that that 100K pretty quick. Of course, we do have that 96K support. We could see it right up here, right? That 96K over here. This is where we broke down last time off of that the Bybit hack, right? It was nasty, guys. It was a nasty one. But as you guys can see, 82% of people bullish on Bitcoin now. It's been 81% for the longest time, but you guys can see more people are starting to feel good about it. Somebody said 2 minutes ago, Bitcoin, okay. Some other people saying Bitcoin will hit 100,000 when Trump is in office for 100 days. I don't know. Somebody said Nicki Minaj think Bitcoin will finish around 100,000. Wait, Oh, Minor Ninja. Just kidding. I thought I said Nicki Minaj. Oh, Lord. That's how you know I haven't been sleeping, bro. I'm like, Nicki Minaj giving price predictions? What the? Anyway, what do you guys think? You bullish on Bitcoin? You bearish? You guys could say. This guy's asking the same thing. He's still in my question. Are you bullish? Are you bearish on Bitcoin, on the market? I want to know, guys. I think that there's a decent chance that we break out here. We do talk about the fact that real price action usually happens on a Thursday. Like, are we going to see a breakout happen right now on a Thursday? Or again, are we going to reject off this 94K and start heading back down? In my opinion, guys, we've already turned the trend around. Honestly, I told you guys that we needed to break above 86. I feel good about this. Us sitting at 93 right now. I do think that the corrections that we're seeing are healthy, right? If we can have a good breakout still today, which again we have a bull flag forming here, and we can possibly see some upside or maybe at least some higher lows going into the weekend, which ultimately is what we want to see, because we do know that we usually see sell off in the weekend, right? So yeah, just a little food for thought. Let's talk about some Ethereum, because I know you guys love Ethereum. You like it, you love it, and you want some more of it. As you guys can see, Ethereum coming in at 213 billion market cap. You guys could see our 24-hour volume down 36% though. Yikes, that's not very good. That means a lot of people are not trading Ethereum. That's kind of what we were concerned about. As a matter of fact, I'm a little bit concerned about Ethereum's long time charts too, like this one right here. This is kind of looking like a little bit of a bear flag, right? We've created this bear flag in the past, right? We could have this flagpole, we create this little flag, and then we drop down, same thing. Are we going to see another repeat of that? Are we going to start trending down again on Ethereum? I did give you guys a nasty price prediction of Ethereum, but I don't know that that's still going to be the case, guys. We pumped a long way since then. As a matter of fact, I told you guys that my bottom for Ethereum that I said was around 12 to 1100. I would honestly love to see Ethereum in those ranges, because I'm so bullish on this that I would just be loving it. Somebody even said right here, 1500 ETH today. Just 10 minutes ago, somebody said that. So interesting. Somebody said I'm bullish on ETH, bullish on ETH. Somebody said they're bullish. Some people saying ultra unsound money. That's funny. I mean, I like ETH, man. I mean, you know, ETH has come a long way, and in my opinion, it still can go a long way, because it's still the number 2 cryptocurrency, guys. This is literally the number 2 cryptocurrency in terms of market cap right now. So I think that Ethereum can have some significant upside. As a matter of fact, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of FOMO behind Ethereum once it hits its bottom. Right now, there's just so much fear behind this that, in my opinion, people are just not super convicted as far as how far they are willing to go and chase this thing down. Because, in my opinion, again, down 33% 24-hour volume, and just this chart just looks funky, guys. To be honest with you, this is not hot to buy, right? This is not necessarily good entry looking point here. To be honest with you, this is looking like a not horrible short, to be honest. But again, it would be a horrible short if Bitcoin decides it wants to run, because Bitcoin can really take off and Ethereum can really follow. It's done it plenty of times. I wouldn't be surprised to see this happen. Did you give you guys also my price prediction for the end of the year too on Ethereum? But if we need to see a retest of that 1100, maybe we can, and we still stay bullish. This is assuming that, you know, we could still stay bullish for 2025. Maybe we can close this year around like, I don't know, maybe like 5,000. 5,000, maybe a little bit more. Give or take, give or take. What do you guys think? You guys think that that's possible? Again, we did make some highs, right? Let's see our last Ethereum high, right? It was around like 4,000. So again, if we break out, if we do see a retest of these zones, there's a good chance that we have some significant upside. As a matter of fact, maybe I'll take that back. Maybe I'll say 10. Maybe I'll say 10 to 15. And that's crazy bullish, but I don't know that that's possible in 2025, to be honest with you. Maybe that's going to be more possible in 2026 if we have this bull cycle going in 2026. I feel like that would be a little bit more possible. But I do expect, again, a big pump in Q4 and a big dump in Q1. We just kind of always see it that way. I was trying to tell you guys that when our market was initially dumping, that this is nothing out of the ordinary. We always see these types of sell-offs, especially around like February, March. It's just historically been a time where a lot of people are just taking profit. So just something to kind of pay attention to. But I want to know what you guys think. Are you bullish on ETH or are you bearish? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.